So, ito yung washroom. Oh my gosh, we have a tub! Nice. So, okay. Bio sila. Bio? Eco sila. Body wash, conditioner, shampoo, everything is here. Hindi ako kasya sa tub, eh. Diba? And then, dual door. Oh, they have blower, sampayan, iron, this one. Wala silang vault. Oh, may prayer mat sila. Oh, they don't have vault. Ay, this is it. Ay, nilock nyo kami. Nakalock from the other side. So, once they open it,